Good morning everyone, this is Neha. I am back with day 2 of our stretches, time to practice yoga. Alright, so as I have mentioned in day 1, there is a fitness app called Tread which is going to launch very shortly. Download the app, link is in the bio, you can see that, and now let's start the video. So the first one for today, come on your mat and from your full plank, get your right leg in between both the palm, okay? Make sure that your back leg should be as far as possible from the front leg, and then your body should balance on tip of the toe. Don't go back, try to balance on tip of the toe. Open up your chest, look forward. Now, from the back knee, you're going to drop your knee down and you're going to lift your knee up tight, okay? Let's do it 5 times. 1, up. See, don't drop it forward. The moment you drop it forward, you lose all the stretches. So, trying to drop it as back as possible. Alright, it's a very small alignment. If you miss that, then you will miss the whole point. Now, 1, drop it back, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, hold. I am sure you can feel a good stretch and your knee is pushed forward. It's straight in 90 degree. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take your palm one step behind. Now have a good hold on your body. You're going to lift your toe up first, okay? You're going to lift your toe up and then slowly you're going to move your hip to the back. So from here you're going to straighten your knee. A lot of people might not be very comfortable with it, so find the balance. If it doesn't go full straight, if it goes till here, that's okay. So find out how much ever you can, then you can practice accordingly. Now straight, move down. So the more you move down your hip, try to reach the floor here and up. And try to get your chest closer if that's possible. Remember, only if it's possible. 2, down. 3, look forward, down. 4, and the last 5th one, you're going to hold here. 5, you can feel the stretch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward, get your palm next to the toe, lift your knee up, take your leg back all the way and get your another leg forward. Okay, now same thing, make sure that your back leg is far away from your front leg, and when you drop your knee, don't drop it forward, try to drop it back. That's when you'll feel the stretch. Ready? Now inhale, up, down, up, down, up, down, 4, down, 5, down. Open up your chest. The more you open up your shoulder, your hip goes down to the floor. Stay here. 5 counts, not 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take your hand slightly back. Now push your hip back, lift your toe up and try to straighten your knee. This is the first step. If you can't do anything much, just do it here. Forward. 2. Okay. Forward. 3. Get slightly closer. Forward. 4. Get a little more closer. Forward. 5. The last one, you can get closer as much as possible. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center, get your hands forward, lift your knee up, leg back all the way. Okay. Now from here, right leg next to the right palm outside, drop your left knee down. So quickly, 5 times same movement. Drop your elbow down and come up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. Knee up, leg back. We're going to try the same thing other side. Knee down. Let's try. 1, up. 2, up. If you can't drop your both the hands down, just drop only one. Okay. 3, up. 4, up. Last one. 5, up. Take your leg back. Parvatasana is always a relaxation for these kind of a stretches. So just be in Parvatasana. Drop your knee down. Keep your both the knee apart from each other. Stretch, open up your chest. Now take your hands forward, lengthen your spine. Okay, now try dropping your chest on the floor. Stay there. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly come back to center. You can repeat this practice 2 to 3 times if you want. Make sure that you should do it after your workout, after Surya Namaskaras or any kind of a regular yoga practice. These stretches will help you to open up your lower body as well as your hamstring more and more, because that is where people find it more difficulty. So practice it and drop a comment. How did you feel? I'll see you again tomorrow with a different set of workout and stretches.